Hi guys, how are you doing? My name is Jason, and today I'm here to talk to everyone about this product here called Ted's Woodworking. So if you really want to know more about Ted's Woodworking and its whole truth, I'll tell you everything and all the relevant details. I want to talk about some very important warnings about Ted's Woodworking, so I suggest you pay close attention and watch this video until the end. And to help you, let's go to the important points that you need to know about Ted's Woodworking. First of all, I want to say that I got access to the official website of the manufacturer. And I'll leave it down below in the description of this video. Guys, many people are asking online, what is Ted's Woodworking, how does it work, and if it is really good, if it is really worth it. So, the answer is yes, Ted's Woodworking is the world's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking plans. And probably you already went through this situation, wanted to build something, because you cannot find it retail, thought of making something custom for a specific need but don't know where to start, and it takes time to create the projects you've dreamed of quickly and easily. It takes time to get the satisfaction of creating something beautiful with your own hands. That's disheartening for anyone. Then you realize you can't find detailed plans to build your dream project. Yet you begin to realize that these are the same challenges that many still face today, which is why Ted's Woodworking is here to help. If you want to get your hands on 16,000 woodworking projects, Ted's Woodworking really helps your overall process. Ted's Woodworking is the top one on the market and is the largest database of woodworking projects. Best of all, it's simple enough for beginners, and complete with instructions from start to finish. You'll get detailed blueprints with step-by-step instructions from A to Z that make building projects super fast, super easy and super fun, plus to speed up woodworking projects in the tiny fraction of the time it currently takes by guiding you through the entire project. You know, it will save you money. You'll spend more time building, less time worrying. Plus, it helps keep track of time and you'll complete projects in a fraction of the time it normally takes. Ted's Woodworking is in the form of blueprints and multiple views from all angles, so you don't have to worry as you get to see exactly how everything should look before you build them. It's safe for you as the plans won't leave you guessing or scratching your head over any details. In fact, you can read people's comments on the manufacturer's website. There are people who go there and write about their success stories with Ted's Woodworking. You just need to purchase the plans. Don't forget that you also get free monthly plans for life. And you can choose your own personalized plans too, so you get your results faster and more effectively. Another good thing about Ted's Woodworking is that it offers a money-back guarantee if you are not satisfied with the result. What you need to do now is go to the official website of the manufacturer. And if you regret it, contact the support team and request a refund, simple as that. They trust the product so much that they guarantee that if it doesn't work, they'll give you all your money back. Then you have nothing to lose. So if you want instant access to all 16,000 projects with step-by-step details, plans, cutting and bill of materials, and more, I really encourage you to give Ted's Woodworking a try because it is the top product on the market today. Don't forget the link is right below this video. Thanks everyone and hope you all have a great day. Bye.